Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Edwin Vallejo. I am 14 years old. I am married. My wife is Silvia. She is a teacher. I have three children. They are Maite, Isabela, and Sofia. Maite is 14 years old. Isabela is 9 and Sofia is 4 years old. They are students. I am a police officer. I am in Guayaquil. I work in an office. I work with my computer. I like my job because I can help people. My favorite hobby is to play equavolley. I play equavolley every day. I like to go with my children to the park. I enjoy going to the park with them. One of my best memories is the travel to Galapagos with my family. I was working there and my family and I am decided to live there for 2 months. It was beautiful and enjoy a lot there. Thank you.